want to factorize 6mx minus ny minus 3nx plus 2my. So to factorize this as a whole, it is a mathematical impossibility. I want to get, because we do not have a common factor for everything. M is here, is there, but it's not there. I want to get. So we can embrace the concept factorization by grouping. I want to get. Now, if you decide to group this, you will still find that there is no common factor. So what are we going to do in that case? What will we do? Okay, we group the like terms. There are no like terms there. Probably you can say we rearrange. How to get? Yes. We're just going to rearrange with the terms that we see that we are going to have the common factor. So we have 6mx. So this term doesn't have. How about this one?
Yes.
It has that? Yes. So we can say minus what? 3n what? X. 3nx. And then we also look at, we have remained with this one and this one. So now, which one are we going to start with? Are we going to say minus ny plus 2my, or we start with plus 2my minus ny? Okay, we should have a mathematical foresight. What we want, we know that eventually what should be in the bracket should be the same. So for us to clearly see that they are the same, they must be in the same orientation. Alright, again? Because this one is the one which will generate something like a 2, so a 2 will be first. You get it, huh? So we are supposed to start with this one. You can start with any, but it's more advisable that you start with this one. Okay? So we're going to say plus 2my, then minus what? ny. Then from there, we can now factorize by grouping. Alright, again? Yes. Like I said earlier on, do not put the brackets. If there's a minus there, it changes the orientation of the expression, okay? So the best that we can do is just to underline, and then we say, what is common here? We have 6 there, we also have 3, right? Yes. So 3 is it. And what of the letters, which one is common? X. X, so X is common. So from 6mx, factor out 3x, what do we have?
2m.
We remain with what?
2m.
We remain with 2m. And from negative 3nx, factor out 3x. What do we remain with? Negative n, huh? Negative n, like that. And then we come to these two expressions. So what is common?
Y.
So y is common. Y is what? Common. So we factor out y. So from 2my, factor out y. What do we have? 2m. And then from negative ny, we factor out y, negative n. So when you reach this level, you even feel happy that you've done the correct thing. Because the concept of factorization is such that what will be in the brackets should be the same. So that we are able to do what? To factor it out as well. Okay? So 2m minus n is common. So we're going to say factor out 2m minus n. And then you remain with what? 3x plus what? Y. So this is what we have as our final answer. I hope you've understood.